Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two platforms, which is Saleshandy and Warmy. So to get started with a quick overview, Saleshandy is a powerful cold email platform built for sales teams and agencies looking to scale personalized outreach with deep email automation, advanced analytics, and multi-inbox management. It also includes features like email warm-up, sequence, scheduling A and B testing, and a real-time engagement tracking, making it ideal for professionals outbounding campaign. And talking about Warmy, on the other hand, is a specialized tools that focus heavily on email warm-up and deliverability enhancement. It also help users improve sender reputation by stimulating real conversation and engagement, ensuring email land in the inbox rather than spam. While Warmy offer some outreach tools, its core strength is optimizing deliverability rather than full campaign management. So starting what these two platforms are best for. So starting with the sales, and this Saleshandy is best for sales teams and agencies running a full cold outreach campaign. Then on the other hand, Warmy is best for anyone needing to improve inbox placement and senders reputation. And talking about the pricing plan for the Saleshandy, it has a start price of $36 per month, which is per user, to grab with a cool email features and 7 days free trial. Then talking about the Warmy on the other side starts a starting price of $49 per month with an emails warm up only. And here's a viral conclusion. So you can simply go for Saleshandy if you're running an outbound email campaign, hard skills, and want a full featured platform with a warm-up, sequence analytics, and automation all in one. It's best for sales teams, agencies, and power users. So you can simply go with warming if your primary goal is improving deliverability and warm up new emails on domain. Those are ideas for complementary tools before launching campaigns, or if you are experiencing a spam issue. So let me know what your takes about these two platforms. Thanks.